Dude, what are you modding this morning?
Some headlights. Gotta make some new mounts, but we didn't want to modify any of the tube structure because it holds a bunch of stuff. So I think that's pretty good for a race car.
Jump.
It's like a whole new car, man.
Those OEM BMW lights?
From Taiwan, yeah. Probably gonna start mounting the body kit on there too. We might as well. So yeah, we'll get that and the headlights, and it'll literally look like a brand new car by the end of the day.
Yeah.
Bringing it back to the OEM lines, dude.
Oh yeah. Simple.
Simple flare. And then it's plastic, so it's very durable. Like, I like leaving a lot of the body panels a little loosey-goosey, so if we do end up putting some like 265s or something on it, it'll just like...
Looks really good, dude.
Yeah, like from the back, it's got a good look to it.
Yeah.
Once we get the new wheel. Yeah, we got new everything, dude.
You got new tails?
We got new tail lights. I got a new bumper that has this in it. This little piece that it's missing. And then it won't have all this. Because what happens, the bumper falls off and it hits the tire and stuff. Dude, Kyle's got the other side all wrapped up.
Kyle, what's up?
I just cut the gas door out. Look at that. So we can put diesel.
So these were Corvette sway bar mounts,
I think so.
and we're turning them into headlight mounts.
Yeah.
That's
These
sick,
are
mom.
Corvette headlight mounts.
Now on the site, Corvette headlight mounts or BMW Corvette headlight mounts.
No, dude, we're good. Dude. The brackets are so adjustable because we engineered them. I didn't find them in a bin from something else at all. Yeah. 3D printed models first, and then we... Oh, let's see what I 3D printed. Dude, you ready? Dude, the braking holder? Let's go. That's pretty good. Is that gonna be in every video, just me showing off my one thing that I made?
Shop at kylebainfab.com/Spotify.
So what if we lose? We could always be afraid of something new. 'Cause we know.
Okay, so we're working on the BMW wagon, 2JZ wagon. We have a big fat package from D&D California. Any guesses on what it is? Rhymes with beats that you sit in. Thankfully to D&D Performance Interior, we are getting a fresh set of seats for the wagon. They're gonna make the passenger compartment a lot comfier than those 90s Sparco frame seats.
Let's take a look at the driver's seat.
Yeah, so this is what we're working with. This is a Sparco frame seat, so it's not a bucket seat. It actually has metal wire running through the perimeter of the seat, and then the backing and the bum is like a elastic. So some people find them uncomfortable, and they're a little heavier than fiberglass seats. We're gonna spice it up with some proper fiberglass bucket seats, and it'll make it a lot safer for every passenger coming along. Looks like there's 2 seats in here. Comes with extra cushion so you can adjust the ride height of your butt. And then check this out. Oh, frick, I'm blowing it. Jack, I'm blowing it. This is the holy grail. Look at that. Carbon fiber on your seats. How cool is that? And they're pretty dang light. Like, look at it. You couldn't do that with a Sparco frame seat. So yeah, cool beans. What is this butt pad? Lumbar support? So we have a lot of seats floating around for different cars. We have the new Corvette we're building. That needs 2 like regulation halo seats. And then we need seats for the wagon too, 4. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a seat. Oh,
Oh, with the purple stitching?
That kind of goes crazy.
It was hard.
I was looking at these on the website. If I was gonna get one, I was thinking the gray stitching, but this purple stitching kind of hits.
The purple's sick.
These are even probably lighter. Oh yeah, these are way lighter.
Yeah.
That's a nice piano black gloss finish. I like that. Shoulder bolsters and the neck bolsters are like formed. See that? How it kind of like goes in and This is the most uneducated explanation I've ever.
It's very form fit, it feels.
Yeah, that looks
Right.
dope, man.
Yeah.
Side mount, because we don't play around. Hardware included. Okay, so we're figuring out a mounting system for these seats. The front's gonna be easy. The back is gonna be a little different because who mounts bucket seats in the back? So yeah, it's gonna be exciting to build all that stuff. And thank you, D&D. Subscribe, like, comment.
Dude, we're back. We got a full house here today. We got a bunch of homies in the shop. I got some brand new parts that I get to use one of my favorite tools on. So we clocked this in the engine bay to get it where I want. I just wanted a little extra room in there. So we're just getting rid of this neck off the turbocharger. Sawzall works really good. You could use a horizontal bandsaw too if you have one of those laying around, but I've done it a couple times, so it should be good. As long as this doesn't like yeet out, it should be ready to rock, right, Jack? You want to do it, dude?
No,
I'll
dude.
trade you.
No,
you
dude.
sure?
I'm
Oh,
good.
okay. I got it then. Dude, Kyle, what's going on here, dude? Kyle's giving me the loosest tools. Loose is fast, right, Kyle? Like a glove, dude. Sawzall Assassin. It's not that bad.
Ooh.
Pretty not too bad
Pretty
with a
good,
Sawzall, dude.
Yeah.
Well seasoned. So in the engine bay, I can go throw it back on. I just want to blow all the dust out, but we
Yeah.
can go back over there. Because we have our little cast elbow that we wanted to put on, and it was just sitting a little low in there. So I just wanted to take a little bit off. So then now when I put this on, it's higher up in the bay. So then I can go over to there, whereas before it was like here, you know, because that neck was on. So just a small little modification. Nothing major, nothing to be concerned about. Message my homie Art, get the last couple pieces that we need because we have majority of things. It's just, I didn't realize that the intercooler was 3-inch on both sides. So we just needed to get another HD clamp so that we can finish our HD clamp symphony of what we wanted all connected up there. I can start on the other stuff though, like this side I have everything for. So pretty much I'm gonna work my way back. I wanted to line up all my aluminum stuff. So this is aluminum. This is gonna be aluminum. So I'm gonna clock this at the point that I want here. Get happy with that. Weld my first HD clamp here. Pull off the throttle body. I can weld my next HD clamp on there, and then we can put those up on their homes. Don't really need to pull out the intercooler yet because I'm waiting for the other 3-inch HD clamp flange because I don't have one to weld to it. So when that happens, we can do that. Just another day, having fun, chilling with the boys. We got the Cheetah Medina here. Justin, the Cheetah Medina. Summer's coming back, you know? You can feel it in the air. The grass clippings are getting spun. Bam. Something like that. Maybe one more little bend on it, stay. So we started on the downpipe, right? So we got these little adapters. They only come 3-inch to 4-inch, but we're doing 3.5-inch tubing on it. So we measured out the section to toss it in there. I got my nice little jig. So we're gonna be able to just cut it at the midpoint. Then I'll cut this little length of tube that I wanted to have, and we can kind of adapt up to 3.5 from there, and then go 3.5 under the car. Just kind of picking away on the little things, you know? Big 3.5-inch exhaust, dude. It's gonna be perfect. Something like that? Subaru doesn't sound like that. Subaru goes like sputtery, surgety. It sounds sick. Like a glove? Just like that, dude. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. We'll ask the boys and kind of see what everyone else is feeling.
Yeah. I would say that would look the best.
It would look good.
I think so, yeah.
All right, Mike. All of the beautiful titanium from Vibrant Performance. Thank you, guys. Mike is absolutely killing it under here. We're going from an aluminum intercooler to titanium flanges. You can see we've got the quick disconnect titanium flange here, but we didn't order 3-inch ones by accident. So we're just waiting on those for him to finish up. These bands do actually allow for some misalignment, but obviously Mike's got it absolutely dialed just with a little rotation there. 4-inch tie, again with a quick. These things are so nice. We've also got a titanium screamer. And you wouldn't believe it, but the amount of weight, this was a stainless intake before. So if you want to reduce weight, you go stainless to aluminum. But if you want to reduce weight again, you go aluminum to titanium. So we're probably lost. I'd actually love to weigh it just because people on the channel seem to love the data. I bet you we saved like probably 10 to 12 pounds on this stuff. Because what was on it before was exhaust stainless steel tubing, which is like 16th wall thickness. It's pretty heavy stuff. And of course we got the turbo, which you guys saw, the manifold. The important thing here is to have fun while you're building the car. Why would you want to do titanium pie cuts? It's this, it's that, it's too much work. Yeah, but it's also fun, challenging. It's really important to challenge yourselves. And why not? Because if we have something to strive for and to challenge ourselves with, then it keeps our minds busy, and busy minds stay out of trouble. That's the important thing. Over here is really cool. We've got Kyle on the roll cage addiction, which I probably had 10 years ago. And after building a lot of cages, I definitely don't have it anymore. But the satisfactory of building complex tubes and getting them to fit in. He also learned some stuff on Bentech. Check this out. Just an absolute fantastic job. We've got a nice horizontally mounted harness bar, which clears my Giraffe AS. And I feel bad for the person sitting here, but they'll have a screamer bar to hold on to because my seat needed to be back probably 4 inches from where it was. But with a couple pointers here and there and some tips and tricks, Kyle made this. And it seems simple, right? But we've got this main hoop leaning at an 8-degree angle. We've got this main hoop cross brace at, I think it's about a 40 and a 50-degree notch on either end. It's at about a 50-degree angle. So this notch right here is one of the more complicated compound notches that you have, because it's at an 8-degree, a 50-degree, and then this is like a 45. So absolutely killed it, no gaps at all. The weld quality is great, and I'm happy. The passengers are gonna be happy. And the next thing to do on the mod list is to just make ourselves at home with a nice steering column that doesn't run the wheel into my knees. We're gonna need to extend it a good 3 to 4 inches, kind of match the movement of the seat. We're gonna get our own one of these in here. Other than that, we've got the BC coilovers and then our front and rear angle and grip kits to go on. Not that we need the grip, so we're gonna dial that thing right back. We're putting heavier springs in because we are taking people for rides. That's the point of this. We are gonna compete. We are gonna compete only because we have to in the LZ World Tour. but I think she'll do just fine. A little heavy, a little on the heavy side, but it's a challenge. And like I told you, challenges are important. There's another reason why you should be, enjoying the build process. It's because 99% of it is the build process. We only get to drive it for, in any given 2-day event, you're on the track for an hour, hour and a half. This is like competition. For fun, maybe 2 to 3, maybe double. The rest of the time is pits, working on the car, hopefully not fixing stuff, hopefully improving stuff, but that's all part of it. And the camaraderie that you build when you're making stuff is why it's important. So don't stress out, enjoy the process, and not just the destination. Wait, what is it? Enjoy the journey, not the destination. Whatever, something like that. Because it takes way longer to get there. Anyways, I know you didn't see me much in this video, but you see me every Tuesday, so you don't need to. That's it. That's all I got.